Hey guys, it's me Tia. Today we're gonna be doing a drawing. So we're gonna be drawing. You're gonna see. Okay, I'm trying to fix the paper. Okay, so let me just get a new paper. What am I doing? So let's just start already. Just gonna close this up a weird way. And creepy is my mind. Let's start. Folding the paper down, kind of in the center. Whatever I'm doing, I don't care. So let's just put that up, or maybe not. I'm just gonna keep it down for now. So now let me just draw. So first you have to draw like two lines, and then draw like an L and connect them together, and connect the top two, and then just draw like a mouth, and just draw the ribbon. Just draw two lines. Now let's draw the bill. The bill. Okay. Now let's start. I'm just gonna fix the camera. So I'm just gonna turn the paper around. Actually, I'm actually gonna just change my mind. I'm gonna keep it back like that because I don't know how to see. I can't draw like that. Take your hand out of the way, please. I just want adjustments. Just add a teensy bit of adjustments. Just draw some eyes. I know my hand is in the way. I'm sorry. I didn't look at the camera. The Romeo face. Okay. I told you I was gonna draw some eyes. Just drawing them like weirdly. So I drew some eyes. Okay. When you never see it like going up, you just put it down. Just fold it down. Not that down, like that. So you can see it going up. So do that again, whatever I was doing. I just saw this thing on the YouTube channel, and just check it out. It's called Arts for Kids. To draw two lines, or another two lines, whatever. Now like two tongues, I think, or should I do one? Let me think. Two tongues. That's what I want to do. I'm just thinking, and then I'm gonna do just two tongues. Just wait. I'm just thinking what to do. I'm just, what am I doing? So you imagine it's going in, and then just do like curvy lines. And now, what do we do? And just draw some lines, curvy lines. I did straight lines, and then I'm gonna do curvy lines. You're gonna see in the end. Whatever this is gonna be, I know what it is. You're gonna see in the end. Dun dun dun. Okay, and draw some more lines. Now draw more lines. Okay, now what I'm thinking of, I'm just tapping my finger on the table. Oh my god, what am I thinking? So what? I'm thinking, I'm not moving. Hey, give us the camera. The people that are saying, give us the camera. Okay, here you go. I gave you the camera. Okay, now what do I do with black pen? Oh, what are those? That you're guessing that they're ribbon hands. They're gonna eat your soul. Ha ha ha, I'm gonna eat you now. I am gonna munch you up into tiny pieces. I don't have teeth though. You're gonna see in the end. I don't know if they're gonna have teeth. Yeah, I forgot. I don't know. I'm going crazy over here. Maybe they're gonna have teeth, maybe they're not. So what's next? What am I gonna do? just draw some teeth. Yes, finally, I did some teeth. What am I doing? I don't know yet because I can't see your hand. What? Oh, I was just coloring the rest of the teeth. Okay, I'm finally done doing the dance. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, my dance finished. La 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 cutest. Does that count as no? You know, the D-U-D-U. I don't want to say it because I'm gonna say it 11 times then. Okay, I'm finished. Finally, I'm finally finished. It looks. Ah, I'm scared. Okay, I'm not scared at all, but it's beautiful. It looks amazing. At first, it's like it's a present. I'm gonna eat your soul. And then it was actually like, hi, I'm Tia. I am gonna be like, oh, I'm flat. I'm not a real present. I'm flat. I'm flat. Why am I actually crying? In funniness, I think. Yeah, oh my god, I'm crying. It's so beautiful. Okay, bye.